my name's Tegan, I'm from Scotland, and you're watching FunForLouis.
So, first stop this morning is going to be taking you guys for your, you know what? Any guesses? Any guesses? I think that some of you may have guessed correctly. We're heading to a place called AJ Hackett, which is famous here in Cairns for bungee jumping and also its Minjin swing.
As you heard, it looks like we're bungee jumping or swinging on some big swing. Ideally, I'd like to wake up a little bit more first, but this is going to be crazy. This is going to be crazy. How you feeling, Troy?
Pretty bad. I'm not looking forward to this.
How you feeling?
I don't enjoy this kind of feeling at all. So, I mean, I know people are into it, but it doesn't feel like adrenaline to me. It feels like horror, if that makes any sense. Oh my god.
Oh no. I have actually bungee jumped before and it's terrifying. It is so terrifying. And I'm kind of into adrenaline stuff as well. This is... Oh no. Namer, are you doing it?
I don't know. I'm either going to do the jumpy thing if I can get Troy and Hannah to do it with me, which I think I can, and if not, then I might bungee.
I honestly think that sitting here watching people fall would be so fun. That sounds really, really cool to me.
You looking forward to this, Jack? No. Troy and Hannah and Mamrie are strapped into the swing. Troy! I loved your screaming, that was amazing.
It was crazy! It was real scary. It was scarier than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah?
Yeah, totally. Oh my god, it's
Ali! Oh, Ali!
Oh my god. Ah! Oh god!
Oh!
Oh wow.
Oh my god.
Stop!
So we are rigging up ready to do the swing. What's this swing called?
The minion swing.
The minion swing. Ready? Steady. Go! Oh yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! Woo! How was that? That was so good. That was so much fun. Right, I've decided I'm gonna do the bungee jump. It's flipping scary, but it's got to be done. Troy, are you doing the bungee?
Yeah. Are you doing it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, yay! Walking up the stairs, I was like shitting myself because it was like the Harbour Bridge all over again. I was like walking like a grandma.
Yeah.
But now, I don't know, now I'm like really, really calm up here. I don't know why.
Different to the child with the smiling photos. Made some decisions, some wrong, some right. Now strangers for my number when I'm sleeping at night. Right there, says two. And how long you make me was. Don't let me go and roll away like a penny down the hole.
Right, I'm getting strapped up. It's my go. I'm ready to jump. I'm not ready actually. It's gonna be terrifying. Can you get myself? Do it. Are they filming below? Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Don't let me go and roll away like a penny down a hole in the road.
That was incredible. Oh, I'm shaking with adrenaline. How did you find it, Dot?
It was so much. That was my first time.
Yeah.
Like the first second scary, and then it's so much fun. It's just like you're flying.
How did you find it? You were so terrified at the top.
I was unbelievably terrified, completely blacked out, and I think that was the first fetal position bungee jump.
So we've arrived at the Sky Rail, which is like a thing that goes over the jungle. We sit in it, look out, and it's gonna be amazing. How surreal is this, guys? We're in a tropical jungle and there's a Christmas tree. We're in a gondola and we're about to sail over the canopy in the rainforest. Look at Troy run.
Welcome to Red Peak, everyone. My name's Jeremy and I'll be your ranger today, so I'll take you around the waterfall here.
Oh my god. Every time I go to the jungle, it just makes me want to live here even more. I just want to build a treehouse and live in the jungle. So the gondola is stopped, stationary, and we are swaying on top of the canopy. We could be here for hours. How are you guys feeling?
I don't like this.
As soon as you said hours, my heart dropped. F that.
Panic over, we are moving again. We have arrived in this town in the rainforest called Kuranda, and we are going to find something to eat because we're all really hungry. Look at this guy, he is crazy. So me and Jesse have finished lunch and we're now having a little wander around, doing a bit of shopping. Well, I had a little nap at the hotel, accidentally fell asleep for like 3 hours or something. We just jumped in the coach and we came back into town. We're going out for dinner. We're dancing and eating. Well, I just got back to the hotel. That was an awesome night. I love dancing. Tomorrow we are heading to the Great Barrier Reef. I think we're going to be doing some scuba diving. Can't wait. Cannot wait. Catch you then. Peace out. Enjoy life. And live the adventure. Boom.